Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are, all over the world. My name is Victor Anyanwu, and they call me the social media oracle. Forgive me, I'm wearing my weave, natural hair. I am Bobrisky today. Why am I wearing this wig? 2 days ago, somebody actually targeted me with an advert to buy hair. And guess what I did? Did I buy the hair or did I not buy the hair? I'll tell you that story after. But why do you target me with hair? I'm not Bobrisky. I'm not. Alright? And I really don't enjoy wearing this hair thing. Boy. So as I was saying, they call me the social media oracle, and I talk social media marketing, social media management. I'm a business and healthcare social media strategist. I help businesses. I help healthcare companies. I help clinics, hospitals, pharmacies, nursing homes, diagnostic centers. I help them attract customers and convert those customers to paying clients. All right? And here is my laboratory. I teach everything that I do, how I do it, and how you can do it too. If you would like to sponsor this show, please send me a message, send me a DM on send me a WhatsApp message on 234-817710-8267, or you send me a DM across all social media platforms. I am at the Oracle VA, at TheOracleva. All right. Today I'm talking about why you target the wrong audience, or why your product or why your advert targets the wrong people, and what you need to do to fix it. All right. So the person that tried to sell me this weave, the person targeted the wrong person. All right. I'm not interested. Wrong person. All right. So I'm going to explain to you how that would have happened. All right. And what that actually does to your account. Some of you do not know what that does. So I'm going to talk about all of that today. The damage or the negativity or the danger of targeting the wrong people. I'll talk about that after this break. All right, so as I was saying, please subscribe. Click the notification button, that bell that you see near the subscribe button, click it, so that next time when I share a video this interesting, you will get a notification and you will be able to see the videos and follow me. All right, and learn all I'm sharing. Okay, and very soon I'll start giving some offers too. Yes. All right, maybe next week I'll start up something called free analysis, free audit for your social media accounts, only for those watching my videos. Okay. All right, thank you guys. So back to what I'm saying. We're talking about the danger of wrong targeting. All right, the danger of wrong targeting. This thing's entering my mouth. Ladies, how do you guys cope? I don't know how. You okay, so as I was saying, the dangers of wrong targeting, right? And what to do about it. And what to do about it. That's what we're talking about today. Okay? So, when you are setting up your ads, when you are setting up, when you've gotten down to picking the audience, right? Then you now see some very interesting things like behavior, right? You know, that's some of the things that makes us really love Facebook ads. You know, right? Facebook ads know how to break this thing down. As in, they break it down. They can target people, you know, with some very cute, nice, you know, targeting patterns, right? Parameters, right? So behavior, interests, demographics, what else? Job titles. What else? You know, some very interesting things. So you pick people based on their behavior. You browse hair pages, right? You pick people based on interest, you pick people based on demos and all of this. Now, for me, I do a lot of browsing in all these pages because I'm analyzing many things, right? So, but as I'm analyzing these things, Facebook sometimes might feel, oh, this guy's interested in this thing, and might put you in, or rather, I might put me in your funnel, right? Then maybe that's why your ad would get to me, right? But if you have done some other things, man, this is like hell. Okay, but if you have done some other things as regards your adverts, you won't be targeting the wrong people, right? Now, what do I mean by some other things? There are some other beautiful things that you need to do as regards your ads. You see, your ads, generally, when you start an advert, there are 3 different areas of your advert. So you have the awareness area, right? Then you have the engagement area. Then you have the conversion area. Under the awareness area, you have ads like rich adverts or awareness ads. Under the engagement, you have like video views. All right, you have like engagement adverts. You have like app installs. You have what else? You have lead generation, right? You have all of this there. Conversion, you have store visits. You have there are about 2 other ones. I can't remember their names now. So these different areas, right? So there are about 11 objectives for your adverts, divided into 3 columns like this. So you have awareness, you have engagement, you have conversion, right? If your page is new, you want to start your adverts from this area. If your page, if you've done this for about a month, 2 months, 3 months, you've gotten some people to visit you from this page. Those people are now interested in your page, interested in what you are doing. They followed you, they've engaged with you. Right? You can now move on here and be doing engagement ads with these people that are already here. Now, if you are doing that, you find out that you are also attracting people related to these people, and you're doing lots of stuff here. Then, if you have gotten here enough, you've done enough of this, then you now come to the conversion area, all right, before you do it. Now, why am I showing you all of this? If you have a new page and you come here, there is nobody that you're going to get because your page is new. If you have a new page and you are doing, there's also this thing called traffic here, right? You have a new page and you are doing traffic. Who are you sending to the traffic? Who are you sending to the links? Do you understand what I'm saying? Very, very important. You need to generate those people that will engage here before you now bring them here. Do you understand? These steps are very, very important. Now, if you've missed this, it could also affect the way your ads perform. Do you understand? So you have to make sure that you get your objective clear first. So when you've sorted that out, the other area you also need to fix is when you start picking behaviors, as I said earlier, job titles, on what's it called, demographics, location. When you start using all of that for your targeting, right? That is good, but don't stop there. There's another thing you have to look at. That thing is something called audience insights. All right. Now, what does audience insights do? Audience insights tells you about your audience. All right. It tells you the kind of pages they visit. It tells you the kind of content they consume. It tells you, okay, the people that visit this page, they like this thing, they do this, they do that. All right. Now, when you are setting up all those your online behaviors, or you are setting up the interest and all those things that you are setting up, pause. Okay. So this insight gives you the details about those on your page, and it gives you things that you probably did not know. When you are picking those your behaviors and online behaviors and online and interests and all those things that you're picking it based on what you know or based on what you think. Now, audience insights tells you the things about that audience that you might not know, you might not think. It will tell you that people that like, I like Nivea, right? I use a lot of Nivea products, Nivea soap, Nivea roll-on, Nivea spray, all those Nivea things. Now, it tells you that people that like Nivea, sometimes they also follow pages like this Mamador oil, follow pages like maybe this Boom Player on your Android phone, all right? So it tells you all of that. That is what I wouldn't have known if I was just going to pick people that use Nivea, I wouldn't have been thinking Boom Player. I would have been thinking all the other perfumes. I would have been thinking all the other fragrances. That's what I would have been thinking. All right. But he's telling me another thing, that they also like Boom Player. He's telling me that they also like Mamador oil. Do you understand? So that is insight, something you don't have. So you need to also check out what audience insights are. You can find audience insights in your advert platform. All right. You know, you have advert manager, right? In that your advert manager platform, one of the tools there is your audience insights tool. So you can find audience insights there. Go there, study it. It tells you a lot about that audience and the type of content you can create to attract them, so that you don't attract the wrong people. All right. And you don't make me a Bobrisky. Okay. All right. So now, when you have gotten those right people, another beautiful thing you can do, all right, you create custom audiences. All right, custom audiences. You see, custom audiences are those that you have a relationship with, those who have heard from you, those who have done something with you. You have their contact, you have their email addresses or their phone numbers. You upload it to Facebook, and Facebook finds them, and you can target them. Do you understand? Now, these custom audiences, right, you can create lookalike audiences from them. All right, lookalike audiences are people that look like these custom audiences, but you do not know them. Facebook knows them. All right, so Facebook will find people that look like your custom audiences and bring them to you. So people that would have sent you a message, sent you DMs, people that would have watched your videos, people that are already very engaging on your page. All right, you can create a custom audience from those people. Then from that, you create a lookalike audience. All right. Now, these types of people are people that will most likely connect with you, most likely buy from you. They will not be your wrong audience. All right. So, sitting down and thinking only of interests, all right, and online behaviors and all of that can bring you wrong audiences, can bring you wrong people. And these wrong people, right, when they come to you, a problem that you might have is you might have to pay a lot more for them because they are wrong, they're not interested. So you pay a lot more for them. But apart from being wrong and not interested, there is something called I don't know, when you see your advert, sometimes you see an advert like this, you see a drop down here. If you click that drop down, you will see where you can tell Facebook, I do not want to see this ad. So they are the wrong audience in the first place. So they can now say, I do not want to see this ad. Every negative feedback on your advert, do you understand? Every negative feedback on your advert affects your advert overall. It affects the performance, it affects the number of people that it will show the adverts to. So you have to be very careful. That is the danger of targeting a wrong audience. That is why you must make sure that you are not only using online behavior and interests, you are not only using demographics and job titles, all right? You are also using custom audiences, people that are already interested in your already interested in your content, and you are also using lookalike audiences. Extremely important, all right? Those things will correct your mistakes, will knock out the negatives, and in the end, your advert will be well done, you will get good results, and you will pay less than what you would have paid before. Okay, then one more thing. Try to avoid running adverts for 1 to 2 days or 1 to 3 days, right? During this time, your Facebook ads are usually trying to pick out the best audience for you based on the criteria you have set. So at this time, your adverts are just going haywire. You know, you're sending to different people, seeing the way they are responding, sending to different people just to pick out the best audience for you. So don't keep your advert for this long. Your advert should be at least more than 3 days, right? More than 3 days before you start reading to see if it's effective or not. All right. Thank you very much for watching again today. I am glad you have learned something. Please comment below and tell me what you've learned. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. My name is Victor Anyanwu, and they call me the social media oracle. Even if today I am just wearing my Bobrisky hair. Okay, my name is Victor Anyanwu, all right, and I manage social media accounts, I manage social media pages. So if you have any issues regarding social media and online marketing, please let me know. I am available across all social media platforms at the Oracle VA. All right, and you can reach me on WhatsApp 234-81-7710-8267. All right. If you have any issues, whatever it is, let me know. Invite your friends to share this. You can share this too, and please subscribe. All right, let's go global. Let's take this viral. Thank you very much. See you next week.